Now, welcome back to the YouTube channel, my dear track fans. And today there is something very shocking that you guys need to know about. This is simply about Yohan Blake, the second fastest man on the planet called Earth. In case you don't know, Yohan Blake has achieved a lot. So if Yohan Blake wakes up today and he decided to retire instantly, you guys are not going to complain, neither are you guys going to call him a loser, because he has actually achieved all he needs to achieve. He is one of the greatest sprinter, and there is no doubt about that. So Yohan Blake has finally decided when he is going to retire, and in this video this is what I'll be focusing on. I will clearly show you and prove to you the date that Yohan Blake promised to retire. Now, before we continue with the main title of this video, which is the game over for Yohan Blake, please, if this happens to be your first time here on the channel, please do me a favor to subscribe and also like the video. Now, the truth is, if you are truly a track fan, then you would definitely know that Yohan Blake has been running since the era dominance of Usain Bolt, the greatest of all. He has been running back to back with Usain Bolt, and he has been breaking a lot of record. But it is so sad to see that Yohan Blake has not yet retired. Yet Usain Bolt has retired and leave him behind. So in this video we will tell you when he is going to retire, because he has finally spoken about his retirement. So this is what Yohan Blake has to say. The 33-year-old Jamaican sprinter revealed that Paris Olympics will be his last dance. The four-time Olympic medalist will be 34 years old at the start of Paris 2024. During the 200 and 100 and relays simply takes a lot of you. So these are the events I want to focus on 2024 Paris, Yohan Blake said. So this is what Yohan Blake said when he was being interviewed by a TV news station. He said this boldly, that Paris Olympic is going to be his last and final participation in athletics. So definitely he's going to retire after Paris Olympic.